Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Children, as you know, today we are going to start our Oxford Advantage Little Champs Holiday Theme 5 book. And today we are going to learn a new magic, the first magic of mathematics. What is that? Okay, let's open your book and open page number 25. You know what is written here? It is written addition. Yes, we will learn the first mathematical operation, addition. This is a magic. How will this magic happen? When we have things, for example, you have, let's take this girl, Annie. Annie has 4 apples and Ravi has 1 apple. So, what Ravi did, Ravi took his apple and put it into Annie's basket. Okay. So, what Ravi did, Ravi took his apple and added it to Annie's basket. Now let's see how many apples are there right now. Previously Annie has 4 apples. Let's count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. It means when Ravi had added his apple to Annie's basket, it becomes more, because 5 is more than 1, 5 is more than 4, right? So that's why I am saying that addition is a magic in which we add objects together and we get more objects. Yes, addition is such a magic where you add together things. You have different things in different place. You bring all those things and keep them together. It will be more. You want to see more things? Okay, let's turn the page. Page number 26. Can you see there is a little girl. Her name is Rima. Today is Rima's birthday. So Rima's mother has baked a yummy chocolate cake. Can you see the chocolate cake? Here it is. Then Rima's mother has requested Rima, can you decorate the chocolate cake with some cherries, because I have some other work. Rima said, yes, I will do. So what Rima did? Rima took only 2 cherries and she has put that cherries on the cake. Can you see? See, she is putting here 2 cherries. In your book, if you see, it will be, there is 2 cherries. But you know who is he? He is Rima's younger brother. So he thinks, if Didi can do it, I will also do. So he takes 1 cherry and she has put that cherry on the cake. Just check in your book. Yes. Now can you, children, can you tell me how many cherries are there in the cake right now? It's 3 cherries. 2 Rima has put, 1 her younger brother. So what happened? So 2 and 1 came together. Now there are 3 cherries on the cake. See, the number of the cherries on the cake has increased. More. Because 3 is more than 2, 3 is more than 1. So when we add object, we get more objects. More objects. So this magic, this adding magic is known as addition. And the sign of the addition, see, standing line, slipping line. Plus sign, what does it call? Plus sign, everyone do it. Standing line, slipping line, plus sign. This is called plus sign. Wherever you see this sign, you should know we have to add. And after adding, after addition, what we get? We will get more objects. So, standing line, slipping line, addition, plus sign. What does it call? Plus sign. Yes. Now in your book only, can you see there are some marbles? Count children, how many marbles are there? Okay, I will also count. I am taking some another color. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here I have 4 marbles. Okay. Now next, 1, 2, 3. Here I have 3 marbles. Now as ma'am said, we will add. We will plus. See the sign, standing line, slipping line. You can see in your book, it is written with blue color. Yes, plus. So 4 marbles and 3 marbles means I have taken 4 marbles, I have taken 3 marbles, and I put together. I add them in a place. I have kept them together in one place. Now let's see how many marbles are there. You count. You count. Let's okay, I will also count, but I will take some other color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after putting 4 marbles and 3 marbles together, applying the magic of addition means plus, we get how many? 7 marbles. 7 marbles. How many marbles? 7 marbles. See, now 7 is more than 4. 7 is more than 3. So whenever we adding, we are getting more numbers. You want to test it? So do one thing. When this time during Christmas, Santa Claus is going to come to give you gift, that time you can ask gift for mama, papa, for your brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, and your gift is will also be there. Then just count. Take all the gifts together and just count. There will be so many gifts. So we have, whenever we apply the magic of addition, we get more numbers. Yes. Now before going to do the book activity, we will see something. Let's see. See, I have here 2 apple tree, right? In first apple tree, how many apples are there? Let's count 1, 2, 3. So I have written here number 3. Now in the second apple tree, I have 1, 2. So I have written the number 2. But if I bring all this apple. Okay. I took all this apple, 3 from the first tree and 2 from the second tree, and if I put them in a basket, what will happen? Means if I will do the magic of addition. So for that I need to put the plus sign, standing line, slipping line. And if I count now, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will have 5 apples. If I will count together, because I have taken all the apples from both the trees and I have put them together. So now after applying the magic of addition, there is 5 apples. Okay. So whenever we do addition, it is more object. Now one more thing, here you have to count and put the number. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this first jar, there are 6 ladybugs. So I have written number 6. The second jar, 1, 2, 3. 3. Now children, can you see the sign of addition? Can you see the sign? This is plus sign. Standing line, slipping line. Standing line, slipping line. So we will add. So when we will add, we will count all the objects together. Right? Both the objects we will count together. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. So when I counted all the ladybugs together, both the jars ladybug together, I got how many? 9. 9 are there. So 9 is more than 6. 9 is more than 3. So children, see, whenever we add, whenever we apply the magic of addition, we get more numbers. And when we are adding, we have to count all the objects together. First, I have counted first jar, then second jar. But when I am applying the magic, when I am doing plus sign, that time I have counted all together, right? Why ma'am is showing there? Because we are going to apply this in our book. Now everyone again take your book and open page number 28. Yes, right now we will not touch the page number 27. We will do page number 28. Let me read the instruction. Count the flowers. Write the number. The first thing what we have to do, we have to count the flower. Okay. So let's start. First 1. I counted and I write the number in the box. 1. Okay. Now what I will do, can you see children here the plus sign? Yes. So we have to add. So we have to add and we have to tell when one flower and one flower is there and we are doing addition, how many flowers are there? For that, what we have to do? We have to count both the flowers together. Remember? 1, 2. So how many flowers are there? 2. So they have asked circle the number they add up to. Means first I count the flower and write the number. I count the flower, write the number. Then I will add and then I will count both the number of flowers together. Then we have to write, circle the right number. Let's do the next one, you will understand. 1, 2. So everyone write number 2 here. 1. Now again here plus sign is here. Can you see the plus sign? Here it is. So what I will do? I will now count both the objects together. Both the flowers. 1, 2, 3. Now I have 3 flowers. So when 2 flower and 1 flower add, you get how many flowers? 3 flowers. Understood? Now we will move to next. I am erasing upper part. So again I am starting. 1. 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay. Now we can see the plus sign. So we have to add. So for adding we have to count all flowers together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So children, when 1 flower and 3 flowers and we get 4 flowers. Now again the next one, before that I will erase it. Okay. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And 1, 2. Now addition is there, plus sign is there. We will count all together. Okay, I will take some another color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when 4 flowers and 2 flowers added, we get number 6 flowers. So again I will delete, but children you will not. Why I am deleting again and again? So because of the color it won't be. So you will able to see the pages all the calculation properly. You are going to use pencil. It is not going to be so haphazard. So you can see. Okay. You are going to use pencil. Huh? Ma'am is using virtual brush. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again you can see the plus sign. So we have to count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when 3 flowers and 4 flowers and we get 7 flowers. Okay, now the last one I will not do. You will do by yourself. Okay, 3 flowers and 2 flowers are there. How many flowers you will get? You have to do. So children, this is the first part of the addition. We have learned the first part of the addition. You can practice at home, mama. You can help mama by doing this addition. You go and help mama in the kitchens. At that time you can count, you can add. So you will see every time whenever you apply the magic of addition, you are getting more numbers. So children, complete page number 28 only. Don't touch other pages. We will do afterwards. Okay, so start your work. Until then, bye, take care.